Hi everyone, if you go to your listing editor and scroll to the bottom, you will see Custom Link. Understanding Airbnb, custom links for hosts. Airbnb provides hosts with a feature called Custom Links that allows them to create personalized URLs for their listings. These links can be used to easily share their listings with potential guests through various channels such as social media, email, or direct messages. Here's how it works. Creating your own custom link. Access your listing, log into your Airbnb account, and go to your listing. Edit the listing. Navigate to the section where you can manage or edit your listing. Create custom link. Look for the option to create a custom link. This option might be under a section like listing details or marketing tools. Choose a custom URL. Airbnb allows you to select a personalized URL that is easy to remember and share. For example, if your listing is named Cozy Cottage, you could create a link like airbnb.com Cozy Cottage. Save and share. Once you've created your custom link, you can save it and start sharing it with potential guests. This link will direct them straight to your listing on Airbnb. Using custom links. Marketing. Custom links are useful for marketing your property. You can include them in social media posts, emails, flyers, or any other promotional material. Easy access. A custom link makes it easier for guests to find and book your property. Instead of remembering a long URL, they can simply use your custom link. Benefits of custom links. Custom links help with branding your property, making it more recognizable and memorable. They simplify the process of sharing your listing with potential guests. Plus, a custom link looks more professional than a long, auto-generated URL. Accessing your custom link. If you've already created a custom link and need to access it, log into your Airbnb account. Then go to your listings page. Look for a section that displays your custom link. This might be under marketing tools or a similar heading. Finally, copy the link and share it as needed. Airbnb provides the tools and platform for hosts to create and manage custom links. However, the actual creation and customization of the link are done by the hosts themselves within the Airbnb platform. By utilizing custom links, Airbnb hosts can streamline their marketing efforts and make it easier for potential guests to find and book their properties. It's a simple yet effective tool to enhance the visibility and accessibility of your listing. For more detailed instructions, you can visit Airbnb's Help Center or their official blog, which often includes updates and tips for hosts.